High-performing primary schools. What are the characteristics and the features that set these schools apart from other schools? All of these high-performing schools have a stable leadership team and a level of stable staffing. They all have explicit published agendas for school improvement. They are schools that are striving to implement exciting programs and deliver results to the students in their care. All of these schools are implementing synthetic phonics programs, and that's not traditional phonics, that's not whole language phonics, that's not scattered phonics, but they're implementing explicit, systematic, synthetic phonics programs. In these schools, they are striving typically for consistency across classrooms and within year levels, and the term lower variation teaching is appearing in the research. What is lower variation teaching? In a number of these schools, they have mandated programs, they have assessment cycles, they have achievement targets associated with those assessment cycles, and some have gone as far as establishing a scope and sequence. All of these high-performing schools invest in the junior years and the junior primary years, because you get one shot at those junior primary years in which we want children to have that best start to literacy. And they maximise that learning to read, spell and write phase and getting as much growth out of that as possible. Why? Research repeatedly tells us prevention, getting children off to a good start, that is your best pathway rather than trying to remediate later. If you are looking for more information on high-performing schools, of which PLD is one of the variables in those high-performing schools, you can access that information through the PLD website. Also, Ausspelled has a list of your structured synthetics phonics programs, of which PLD is strongly associated with Wave 1 and Wave 2 programs. Wave 1 programs are quality instruction within the classroom, so that we get as many of those students off to that positive start. But also there will always be students that require Wave 2 instruction, small group intervention. Ideally, it's got to be early intervention at the earliest times these students are starting to fall behind their peers, so that they have that opportunity to catch up or to establish themselves within the bulk, the range of where the average students are. And information on this and the range of the programs that are being advocated nationally, you can also find on the PLD website. For more information, I run regular school leader sessions, providing our leaders in schools with the information to make it easier for our teachers in the classroom. We owe it to the students in our care to be striving to put in place programs, processes that are going to deliver on results.